Hello friends, now in this video I'm going to work with tags. So when we go here and click to the tag, I want to display all the movies this tag has, and I want to change the color of the text here, also here, because we have light theme and we have the white color, and also in the name here. For the dark mode is okay, so here we have is okay for dark mode, and change the width of the model here to be more large. So for that, open the VS Code and I'm going to open the show view in the movies. And first thing, I'm going to change the width of the dialog modal. And here we have 2XL. I'm going to say, for example, 6XL. Next one is to change the color for the, so close this dialog modal. And here we have the latest movies. We have the text white. Now this is going to be for the dark mode. For the light mode, I'm going to say text slate 600. The same thing for the movie cast here. So the dark mode, text white. Otherwise is the text slate 600, and the same thing to the name. So copy this one and paste it here. Save. Come here. Refresh. And now, yeah, we have the color, but I want also some space here. Margin bottom. So where is the latest movies? And I'm going to add margin bottom of 4 pixels. 4, not pixels. 4M, refresh. And now we are okay. If I click here, we have the large. That's okay. Next one is to work now with tags, and also I want some space here. So where is the tag? Span here, and here we need a link, or we can add the link after the. We can add the link here. So I'm going to cut this and say link, and we need to bind the href. Okay, I'm going to use the backticks and slash tags slash. We need to add the tag slug here. So tag dot slug. Okay, close. Add the tag name and close the link here. And also I'm going to add my class and say margin left to 2. Save. Wait for the Laravel mix, refresh, and now we have some margin. Okay, next is to, because if I click here, nothing happened now. Okay. I'm going to open the web PHP and see if we have a route for tags. No. And I think we don't have also the controller. So I'm going to copy this, duplicate, change the genre to be tags, and here the tag controller. Here is going to be, so create, first I'm going to create the controller. Artisan make controller, front-end tag controller. Run this one, and here we need a tag controller from frontend. The method is going to be show and name is going to be tags show. Save this one. Now I'm going to open the genre controller from frontend and copy this show method. And now open the tag controller from frontend and paste that show method. We need to change this genre to be tag. Also here, tag. Import the inertia. Also need to change that here to be tag and tag here. And also we don't have the relationship, I think, in the tag model. So save this one and open the tag model. Yeah, we don't have relationship, so create a function and say movies. And here we need to return this. And now we don't have, in this case, belongs to many, but we have the morphed by many. And we need to add the movie class. And also the taggable, which is the table. Save. I think we are okay now. Here we display all the, we need the, here also we need to change this view to be frontend tags index. Save. And we have genres here. In the front end, I'm going to create new folder, name tags, and new file in it, name it index.view. Now I'm going to copy what we have in the genre index and paste it here. Change the title here to be tag movies. And here also we need to say tag name movies, and movies here is okay. We have a movies, and here we need to add the tag. Okay. Like this. Save. And come here and refresh. If I click now to the tag, yeah, we have this. The name of the tag and the name of the tag, and we have movies here. And also we changed the title, and in the movie app, in the movie show, we don't have the title, but I'm going to fix in the background app. And I think in the genres, we have all movies. We need to change this to be genre movie. Okay. And I see a bug here. So if you see here, we display only the genres we have here. So why is this problem? Go to the show, and I think here, yeah, we get genres, And also we get genres from the, we need to change this name to be movie genres. And also when we have genres here, where we have them, why we need the movie genres here for this one. So we have trailer, and here we need to say movie genres. Save, open now the movie controller front end, and also here we need to say movie genres. Save and wait for Laravel mixer refresh. Now if I click here, yeah, we display all the genres, and here we have the movie genres. Okay, and that's it, because if I open the inertia, not shared inertia, but the handle inertia request, here we add the genres and we overwrite with the genres we had here. For that we need to make changes. Okay friends, hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best.